had to prepare. And so we read the law, we went to the extent, which is unusual, I think this might be the first, where we had a petition signed by 160 members from the community begging for mercy.
Not only just the community of the victims. So we went into McAlpine White House farm where persons lost their lives.
And not only that, they asked for mercy on his behalf. He is really a good, solid, upright person. He's a loving dad. He's a great husband, I'm told. He is the head deacon for the Belmont Assembly Adventist Church. So this is someone you could regard as the salt of the earth, an upstanding, responsible person who can be emulated by everyone. Prior to this, his reputation and his record was pristine. And so this is a blot that he had no on his record, but he is trying to ensure that the victims and their families don't feel insulted or left out. So he's trying to make compensation, and they still have the insurance monies to claim.
So what's your immediate reaction to today's outcome?
On his behalf, on his family's behalf, on his son's behalf, I'm happy for them, because we know that there was a real potential or possibility that he could get a custodial sentence.
5 years.
So we really worked hard for this one, because he deserved mercy, and this particular judge was both wise and merciful.
And the sad thing about it, these victims weren't passengers that he solicited. He had their numbers in his phone. They call him whenever they want to go places. So they themselves at this point in time are feeling sorry for him, but they are glad as it regards to the outcome.
And could you
He's ready
just
to compensate.
refresh me of the sentence?
Well, the sentence is in several parts,
Right.
but it starts off with a 18 months imprisonment, which is suspended for 3 years. Additionally,
On each count.
On each count, and it's to run concurrently. That means he would do one sentence. Additionally, he is suspended from obtaining a driver's license for the next 3 years. And last, and by no means least, there was a consent order for a compensation to be paid, and the amount to be paid to each person we agreed was $500,000.
To include the person that is still alive. So we are looking at $3 million, which will be paid
Oh,
tomorrow morning because the court's office is closed for the day.
the payment will be made.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Victory is yours.
Yes, it is.
No, victory is for Delaware Rock.
For Delaware Rock. And this could not happen without time and hard work. We put it in and we get the result.
The remaining,
Alright.
the deceased family would look at this now and said, okay, then a celebration. What would you say to them?
No, we are not celebrating. We are happy as to the outcome, because the reality is sending him to prison would serve no useful purpose. He's not a threat to society. So we are happy that he's out, and we still commiserate with the families, because their loss will be forever indelibly imprinted on their consciousness.
Okay.
And there are
All right.
persons from adjoining community that he'll have to encounter with every day.
All right. Remind me, starting with you, Lambert. Give me your name and title, and then.
As I like to say, I am Lambert S. Johnson, Esquire.
I am Faith I. Summon.
And the defendant of?
Delroy Rodney.
Okay.
He's also my church brother. Schoolmate at the early childhood level.